understanding, in a timid voice, an English phrase explained. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English expressions. Today, we're exploring the phrase, in a timid voice. This phrase is not just about words. It's about the feelings and situations behind the words. So, if you're ready to add more depth to your English understanding, let's get started. When someone speaks in a timid voice, they are not just speaking softly. This phrase conveys a feeling of hesitation, shyness, or lack of confidence. The speaker's voice might be low, quivering, or hesitant, indicating that they might be afraid, nervous, or simply unsure of themselves. It's not just about volume. It's about the emotional state behind the voice. You might encounter this phrase in books, movies, or everyday conversations. It's often used to describe a character or a person's manner of speaking in a particular situation. For example, 1. In storytelling, she replied in a timid voice, unsure if she should share her opinion. 2. In daily conversation, when he asked for a raise, he spoke in a timid voice, as if he didn't believe he deserved it. Remember, using this phrase adds an emotional layer to your description. It tells the listener not just how the person spoke, but also hints at their emotional state or the atmosphere of the situation. Speaking in a timid voice can affect how a person is perceived. It might make the listener feel protective, sympathetic, or sometimes frustrated, depending on the context. It's important to understand this because it shows the power of voice and expression in communication. By recognizing these subtle cues, we can become more empathetic and effective communicators. Thank you for joining me today to explore the phrase, in a timid voice. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the feelings and stories behind them. I hope this video helps you understand not just the meaning of the phrase, but also the emotional depth it adds to conversations. Keep practicing, and you'll become more attuned to these subtle nuances of the English language. See you in the next video.